friends, good morning. In this video we will discuss about the in chapter this some basic concept of chemistry, that is Dalton atomic theory and atomic mass, also average atomic mass. Okay, so first of all, in the last video we discussed about the laws of combinations, and these laws of combinations, they are proposed before the knowledge of molecules and molecular formula. But in this video, first we have to discuss about the matter, and matter is made up of atoms, so as related to the atom. Okay, so here what is atom? So in the Dalton, means in 1808, in the year 1808, Dalton proposed one theory that is called as the atomic theory. So this atomic theory, it is proposed on the basis of a new system of chemical philosophy. So this chemical philosophy, the postulates or assumptions of this chemical philosophy is that first, matter is made up of very tiny and indivisible particles and called as atom. Okay, म्हणजे पहिलं काय आहे तर मॅटर कशाने बनलेला आहे? मॅटर इज मेड अप ऑफ व्हेरी टायनी पार्टिकल्स, टायनी अँड indivisible particles which is not divisible into fragments. Okay, it is suggested by Dalton. Okay, so accepted as it is. So here matter is made up of the tiny and indivisible particles called as atom. So now we get the some knowledge about the atom. Okay, then second one, different atoms of the same element. For example, Cl having the two atoms, Cl37 and Cl35. These are called as the isotopes. Okay, so these are the different atoms of same elements. Okay, and different atoms of same elements having similar properties including mass. Okay, though here there is a different mass, but Dalton proposed that the different atoms of same elements have similar properties including mass. Okay, next one, third one, that is the knowledge about the molecule and knowledge about the compounds. So what is a compound? So compound, it is formed by the combination of two or more elements in a fixed proportion. कंपाउंड्स किंवा मॉलिक्यूल कसा तयार होतो तर दोन किंवा त्यापेक्षा जास्त सिमिलर किंवा डिफरंट एलिमेंट्स दे आर कंबाइंड इन अ फिक्स प्रोपोर्शन एंड टू फॉर्म अ मॉलिक्यूल और कंपाउंड. मीन्स व्हाट? कंपाउंड इज फॉर्म फ्रॉम टू और मोर एटम ऑफ एन एलिमेंट्स in a fixed ratio or in a fixed proportion. Then fourth one, that is chemical reactions. So the chemical reactions are carried out by reorganization of atom of an elements. Some bonds are break, some bonds are formed, and by reorganization of that atom of an elements, the chemical reactions are carried out. Okay, so this is all about the Dalton atomic theory. After Dalton atomic theory, या डाल्टन ॲटॉमिक थेअरीचा इथे इंट्रोड्यूस करण्याचा उद्देश काय आहे? ॲटॉमिक स्ट्रक्चर तर आपल्याला शिकायचंच आहे, पण इथे यासाठी की जेव्हा सम बेसिक कन्सेप्ट म्हणतोय आपण, आणि आधीच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये मी काय सांगितलं होतं की देर इज अ लॅक ऑफ नॉलेज ऑफ द मॉलिक्युल्स, म्हणजे ॲटमचंही नॉलेज नाहीये, मॉलिक्युल्सचंही नॉलेज नाहीये आपल्याला. आणि अशा याच्यामध्ये मग जेव्हा आपण ॲटॉमिक मास किंवा ॲव्हरेज ॲटॉमिक मास, नंतर फॉर्म्युला मास आणि मॉलिक्युलर मास शिकणार, तर त्याच्या आधी आपल्याला ही आयडिया असायला हवी की ॲटम म्हणजे काय किंवा कंपाऊंड म्हणजे काय, आणि ऍटलिस्ट तो कसा बनवला जातो, याचे जे हायपोथेसिस आहेत जे की डाल्टननी दिलेले, ते फक्त आपण या ठिकाणी ओव्हरलुक केले. डिटेल स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ ॲटम मध्ये आपण सर्व थिअरीज घेणारच आहोत. ओके, सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द डाल्टन थिअरी. मग त्यानंतर आपल्याला काय पाहिजे तर ॲटॉमिक मास. ॲटॉमिक मास. So the atomic mass means mass of atom is called as atomic mass. Simple definition. Okay, mass of atom is called as atomic mass. So here mass of atom is called as atomic mass, but in the recently this atomic mass here this is taken as a 1/12 of mass of one C12 carbon atom. C12 carbon atom. Okay. And this is expressed in atomic mass unit. Recently, this atomic mass unit, it is unified mass unit. Unified mass unit. And here 1 AMU is equal to 1/12 of mass of one C12 carbon atom is called as one atomic mass unit, or it is also called as one unified unit mass unit, and that is called as, it is represented by U. It is also called as Dalton, and therefore it is represented by DA, capital D and A. Okay. So here the conversion between mass unit, one mass unit and grams. Here 1 AMU is equal to, according to definition, that is 1/12 of mass of one carbon atom, C12 carbon atom. Okay. So here 1/12 multiplied by mass of one C12 carbon atom, that is 1.992648 into 10 to the power minus 23 gram, which is equal to 1.66056 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. Okay, this is the conversion between one atomic mass unit and gram. From this, in our textbook, there is a one solved problem, and that solved problem is here. Write down the mass of one oxygen in gram. Mass of one oxygen atom in gram is 56896 into 10 to the power minus 24 grams. Okay. So what is the atomic mass of oxygen in unit? Atomic mass of oxygen in unit. We have to calculate this atomic mass into unit, or convert this gram into unit. So earlier we here one atomic mass is equal to 1.66056 into 10 to the power minus 24 grams. This conversion we derive this conversion. Okay, so the mass of one oxygen atom in gram is this much, and convert this into unified unit. So what happened here? That is mass of one oxygen atom in unit is equal to here 26.56896 into 10 to the power minus 24 divided by this much, that is 1.66056 into 10 to the power minus 24, and which is nothing but the 16 unit. Okay, so here mass of one oxygen atom in unit is equal to 16 unit or 16 Dalton. Okay, from this From this, you have to solve one problem. Okay, so write down that problem. Mass of one carbon atom then after that here average atomic mass. Average atomic mass. So we know that here there are the so many elements or numbers of elements of the given numbers of atoms for the given elements. So if the numbers of atoms, different atoms of same elements are there, then they are called as the isotopes of each other. Isotopes having the different mass number, atomic mass number, but same atomic number, and they are called as isotopes. So in nature, naturally occurring numbers of isotopes are present or occurs for the same elements, and because of that here the new term average atomic mass is introduced. For example, carbon has 3 isotopes. One is C12, then C13, and last one, that is the C14. The natural abundance of these isotopes, these are first C12, that is the 98.892%. For the C13 carbon atom, that is 1.108%, and for the C14 carbon atom, that is 2 into 10 to the power minus 10%. Though other two are very small, and first one it is in a large amount, even though these are considerable, and because of that here the new term, that is average atomic mass, is introduced in this point. Okay, so what is the average atomic mass? So these are the atomic masses, because their atomic masses are different but atomic numbers are same. Okay, so these are the different atomic masses of the given isotopes of carbon, and these are the percentage. So the average atomic mass is taken as the average of these atomic masses with their relative abundance, is such that here average atomic mass is equal to, आता इथे कसं घ्यायचं आहे C12, याचा atomic mass किती आहे 12. ओके, मग याचा 12 into abundance 98.892%. as it is in a percentage, काय घ्यायचं आपल्याला divided by 100. Okay, this is one plus second one, that is C13, that is 13 into 1.108 divided by again 100, and plus next one, that is C14, here 14.00 is atomic mass for C14, 317 multiplied by its abundance in percentage, that is 2 into 10 to the power minus 10 divided by 100. Okay, that is equal to 12 into 98.892 plus 13 into 1.108 plus 14.00317 into 2 into 10 to the power minus 10 divided by here 100. Okay. So this is the average of atomic masses with their abundance, and this is equal to 16 12.011 unified unit. Okay, so on the basis of this, you have to calculate average atomic mass of neon. Okay, so write down question. Calculate average atomic mass of neon using following data. Draw this table. Okay. Then neon 20, neon 21 and neon 22. Atomic masses 19.9924 unit. Natural abundance 90.92%. Then for this neon 21 here 20.9940, 20.9940, that is unit. Then abundance 0.26%. And last one 20 for any 20 neon 22 21.9914 unit, and its natural abundance, that is 8.82%. So from this data you have to calculate average atomic mass of neon.